So the views here are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Now, I believe that this was the mountain we were going climbing, and it doesn't look that bad, you know. After coming off Coron 2 last week, I was looking at that going, oh, that's going to be easy enough, you know. But that's not it. We are over here. And wait till you see this. The one we're actually going to climb is this. Look at that bird view. Down into the ocean. So this is good. I thought we were going to have an easy day, but no. But here, have a look. We got a little information there. But isn't that going to be some climb? And have a look at this little notice board here. Time to get the bag on. Time to get ready. Woo! We'll chat back to you later. So we're about 40 minutes into this climb, Mount Brandon, and straight away, as soon as you hit it, you're climbing, you're coming up, you're constantly going up. You know, there's no a couple of kilometers of flat ground before you reach the bottom of the mountain. You're constantly climbing from down there all the way up there, you know. So the old legs now are kicking in there a bit, but anyway, we'll get back to you. One slip. Let's say that'll be the end of that. Unbelievable. Let me give you a look at this. Compared to Coron 2, this is far much more beautiful. Look at this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Massive scenery. You can smell something. Oh, it's a sheep. There's a... You can smell something there coming up, and we just looked down and it was a dead sheep. Well, anyway, we're over the hardest part. The hardest part was about 680 meters up, and then we're on a kind of a little walkway now, but we're only on this walkway for another 10-15 minutes before we have to start climbing again up to the cross. I'll just give you a look. So right over the ridge there, 10-15 minutes to reach here, and then we got to climb up there. But this is some of the most breathtaking views I've ever seen. Compared to Carrauntoohil, there's no comparison. On a good day, this is a million times nicer. Absolutely. The rock formation all around us. You know, it's absolutely brilliant. We'll check back with you guys later. Alright, we reached the bottom of the mountain where we have to climb, and not gonna lie here, it's at least twice the Devil's Ladder. Look at this. So we have to climb up there, across there, up to that. The views are absolutely amazing, but this is without a doubt a lot more challenging. You can see the size of Charles there now comparing to the mountain we have to climb up there. Not looking forward to this anyway. Chat soon. So we're climbing that ladder. Story doesn't change much. Tough. That view is absolutely worth it. We've got this much more to go. Up there. We get there. I'll check back in a bit. We're nearly there. Nearly to the top now. But look at that, guys. About 5 minutes from the cross. We'll check back soon. Oh. Oh, so well, let me touch it. Let me touch it. Oh, no kid. Done. Look at this for a view. A grand bunch. Yeah. Our time on top of Brandon Mountain now has come to an end, but we're heading down now. But I just wanted to give you a look at this. Look at that for a view. We have to walk down that, but isn't it something else? Absolutely amazing. Anyway, guys, we'll talk to you on the way down. fantastic day. The weather was absolutely amazing. Actually, a 7-year-old and his 70-year-old grandmother went up that. Isn't that something cool? Something amazing, I think. A lot of very young kids going up it. 7 was the youngest I met, and the 70-year-old grandmother was the oldest I met going up. And they were happy to say that we had a 7-year-old and a 70-year-old climbing today, which I think is super. If the grandmother can climb this, fair play to her. Anyway, overall, it seems like the legs are getting a bit used to all this climbing stuff. Not too much of a worry for me to climb today, although this ladder in Brandon was a lot steeper and rockier than Crawn Tool, so I have to get across there. Hang on 2 secs while I try and navigate my way down along this. Huge bunch of people up there when the weather got good. There was loads, you know, the place was mobbed. But we had a fantastic journey. If you look around me here, it's just stunning views everywhere. It's a lot more picturesque than Crawn Tool, I believe anyway. So now it's about an hour and a half back to the car. A little longer if I stop and take breaks and photograph and, you know, all the normal stuff. But anyway, we'll check back with you soon. Bye bye.